What did you go?
Why? No door for man. Neck or gamma. Sit on. My boss is coming. I thought you are you. May not attack you in the occasion. My boss is coming. Sit up. Talk well if you come. Uno gonna Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, all your money aye. Oh, okay, one ya. Oh, onye bem, my mom was here. Man Jideka. Oh, yes, my brother. Oh, mutara mo umazin nazu. Na kanje no bosi abegi ntubali ime mbuke. No.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir. Keep talking to me about you so much. I appreciate you on your you gave us plenty. God will blessing you plenty.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay, me off. Stop speaking English. Stop speaking English. Speak Igbo that you know how to speak. Under this, come like you were wedding or some money.
You are not me. We are in a like
because we can. Wow. Eta kukumba eba. Eta kukumba. Eta. Womenaka. Ibe una ata vegetable na efia. Dalo no. Bye. Dalo. Na ke all this service in there na enye the money eba.
Papu Kenentia. I get you for 1 star. 1 star rating. Now this place is very hot. I don't know how you
How does it take more than 2 hours to even do a barbecue fish?
It's so annoying. It's so cool.
Oh no, go now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, so please permit me to introduce to you my amiable wife. Ogobo Ibom. Omali Chow. How for now?
The mama.
Why you why Monarisia? Why you boyfriend?
You're making me blush. You're outside, though.
Ngala kwesere. Odi Maria, oh no. Dr. Ekenu. Mba from be your housewarming on London PhD, yeah? Yes. Oh, now when the pharmacy I jamba na mo Lagos na a good you pharmaceuticals.
Yes.
Oh, now when you know. Currently now, obu a lecturer na Unizik.
Department of Medicine.
Yes. Even self, I don't mind what can fly abroad because maybe because you na India.
Professorship.
In medicine.
Yes.
Maybe all now no.
Oh, really? It's quite a pleasure to meet you. My husband has told me many things about you. You're so lovely.
Oh, yeah, no, what? Now we choose pharmacy.
Okay, my birthday one certain time.
Yes.
Correct. Happy birthday in Arias, sir. Here, my co-work and family. I hope everybody's fine. Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna know. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Then that's what I'm going to
but yes, we are giving them one rating. Because I don't like this. One rating. You don't behave civic. It's not fair.
But as well,
I'm more very sweet. No, I'm sweet. I and my husband will not pay.
Dr. NK shift or Dr. NK. The dog. As a woman, as a single woman, have it in mind to be an asset to your husband when you get married. Every man needs a woman that they'll be proud of. Every man needs a woman that have CV, something they can introduce. Don't allow yourself to be introduced as Mama Jideka. Try to acquire skills, knowledge. So
that your husband would always be proud of you. And not just your husband be proud of you, you as well, you'll be proud of yourself. When you're fulfilled, you'll be proud of yourself, and everybody surrounding you will be proud of you. And you men, try to love your wives, your girlfriends, your women, regardless of their possessions, regardless of their qualifications. Love, because love comes first. Secondly, if you wish or you want your wife to be, your woman to be at a certain level, groom her with love. Love first and love always. Groom her with love. Teach her.
Take her to that place.
Take her to that place. That level you want her.
You can
take her,
well.
push her with love, and then in the end, every one of you will be proud that you did.
Now, Dr. Ike, please appreciate your partner regardless. Appreciate who they are for who they are. All right. One love.